Hello everybody. Today we're gonna be learning about the if statement. I had a project in my mind that I really want to do. We're gonna make like a marketplace. So we'll just start off with saying welcome to Press Chopper. Print welcome. Wait, we have to do this. Welcome to Price Chopper. Welcome to Price Chopper. So, as you can see, it says welcome to Price Chopper. And then we'll say, we'll only have 2 items for now, and then if you want, you can make more. Like, I'll just show the simple, like, steps, and then you can do as much as you want. We'll say print, what did you buy? What did you buy? So, for these two, these are just words. No one can interact with them or do anything to them. And if you want people to like write stuff to us, we have to we have to put input in front of it. Let's make a variable called item. So we'll make a variable called item. So it will be you have to put input in front of, and when you put input, they will have a box where they can write stuff. So we'll say enter what you bought. Enter, did you buy TV or did you buy Apple? Let's say enter TV or Apple. So now if you run this, it will say welcome to Price Chopper. What did you buy? Enter TV or Apple. And then we can just go ahead and say that we bought a TV, let's say. We go here and say TV. And, it looks like it says Apple TV, like, right next to each other. And if you don't want it to happen, you can just do that, and then it should be fine. Yeah, now it works better. So, and then it doesn't do anything because we didn't write anything else. Now we need to make an if statement to see if they buy a TV or an Apple. So in order to do this, you have to write if item. Since like we already used equals, like equals is like something, but for this you have to do 2 equals if you want them to work. So 2 equals and then TV. Now let's go over here and TV. Then you want to hit enter, and then you have to hit tab. This means when you hit tab, it means that if the item is TV, this will happen. But if it's not TV, it won't happen. So, and then let's say print to see what they bought. You'll just say you bought, and to see if they were correct or not. TV. You bought TV. And then let's go down. And now we'll wait. Okay, and now I think yeah, that's good. And now we'll make a price for it. Price. We'll make a new variable called price. And since we want to take their input, you have to write input. And then now they can interact with this. So then we'll say how much was the TV that they bought. How much is it? You want to do this again. And then we'll make a tax, because we need to know what the tax comes with. So tax. And you have to do integer, because you're taking the integer from that. Ooh. Okay, let's go down. Integer, price, and encoding. If you hit shift and 8, that is the times. That's the times. That's the times. So then we'll do tax is 118. 0.18. And then we'll go over here and then we'll do the final price. So we're gonna add the price and the tax together to see what they equal. And when you're making a variable, it can't be two words. So you want to do the first word lowercase and the second word uppercase. So final price. We'll do final price equals integer again. Integer and then price. And then let's go over here plus tax. Let's see if this works. Welcome to Price Chopper. Enter what TV or Apple. If I say Apple, nothing will happen. I see what we did. I mean to hit tab on all these so they're inside the if statement. So now it will say line 6. So looks like we ran into a problem. Line 6. Input, how much is it? Price equals, how much is it? So, okay. I think I gotta fix this. Yeah. That's a simple error. Yeah. Let's see what happens. Yeah, and then let's erase this. Print. Let's go here and erase this. Okay, now it should work, I think. Yeah, it was just a space error. I decided to delete some spaces. Yeah. So it wasn't easy. Okay, now if I say that I bought Apple, nothing should happen because we made it so if we bought TV, something would happen. Yeah, as you can see, when we say we bought Apple, nothing happens. But if we say we bought TV, it keeps on asking us questions. You bought TV. How much is it? Let's say $300. And then nothing happens because we haven't done the other half. So now we'll say print. We'll say total price, total with tax is, then we'll go here. And when you put a comma, it means like plus, but not in the mathematical terms. It just means plus. Final price. So now, if we say TV, it will tell us how much is it. Let's say $300. If my math's correct, it should be around $354 with tax. Yeah, total with tax is $354. So if you want to, we can like type it all again, but another easy way to do it is just copy this, Control C, and then go down, and then just switch TV with Apple. So and then it'll say you bought Apple. So Control Z. We'll say you bought Apple. How much is it? And then we'll have a tax of 0.05. And then the final price is the price times total. The tax is, yep. So now let's say we bought Apple. Since the taxes are different, it will do something different. Oh, and if you want to see that it only happens if we say Apple, let's go over here and let's say we misspelled Apple. Nothing will happen. Let's say we spelled Apple with 3 P's. We hit enter, nothing happens because the if statements only work if you say Apple. So let's now spell it correctly. And yeah, how much is it? Let's say we bought $30 worth of apples. total with tax is $31.5. So thank you for watching another like episode, and have a good time. Please consider subscribing and liking.